In Creo Parametric, sometimes when you retrieve a large assembly, you will have a lot of notifications about outdated pipe solids. For example, in this assembly, if I take a look at the top node of the model tree, there is a yellow triangle up at the top. If I hover my mouse over that triangle, I get a window that tells me that I have one circular reference and 67 outdated pipe solids. Furthermore, if I take a look lower down in the model tree, I see a bunch of different subassemblies that also have yellow triangles. For example, if I hover over this one, well, I've got 22 outdated pipe solids in that particular component. So what is an outdated pipe solid? If you take a look at this assembly, there are a lot of pipes in it. There are a bunch of different routed assemblies. If I go to the piping application, I'll click on Applications and then Piping. This puts me into pipe mode. Oh yeah, right now I'm getting a warning about converting some assemblies. Let me just click the OK button to get out of that. So here in the ribbon, we have this command for creating or editing pipe solids. When you route your different pipes in the piping application, that will generate center lines, and then you can actually make solid parts out of it. Let me close out of the piping application. Just to show you an example of that, let me expand one of these different subassemblies. If I scroll down, here we have some .prt files in the subassembly indicating that this is actually a solid part created from the pipe. But again, if I hover my mouse over the yellow triangle, it tells me that this pipe solid is outdated. By the way, you can control the display of these notifications. If you go to the File menu and then Options, over on the left, we have our different categories. I'm going to click on Notification Center. Let me collapse a couple of these categories. And here we have applications and third-party notifications. Here we have outdated pipe solid from the piping application. I have it set to warning, but your other choices are do not show, warning with message, or error. So let me cancel out of here. If you don't want those notifications at all, you could set them to do not show. So how do we take care of these different outdated pipe solids? Well, we're going to update them. And one way that you can do that is from the model tree. I can right-click on one of these outdated pipe solids, and in the pop-up menu, here we have the command to update the pipe solid. I will click on that. And now when you take a look at the part, it is no longer showing up in bold. It no longer has that yellow triangle next to it. But a more efficient way of dealing with these is by using the notification center itself. The way that you get to the notification center is by using the yellow flag icon. I will click on that. And again, it gives me a summary. In this particular assembly, I have one circular reference and 66 remaining outdated pipe solids. I will click on the blue hyperlink to open the notification center. And here we have our outdated pipe solid. You can click on the triangle to expand it. And one way that you could do it is you could right click on one of the subassemblies and choose Update Pipe Solid. And it does some regeneration. The number down here is smaller. Let me click on this and open the notification center. Now we're down to 58. But rather than expanding this and going through this one by one or going to the individual items in here, the easier way is just to right click on the note that says Outdated Pipe Solid and then choose Update Pipe Solid. Let's let it regenerate. And now I will deselect everything. Let's take a look down at the bottom of the screen. We're down to one model notification just for our circular reference, but we don't have any more outdated pipe solids. An addendum, why do our pipe solids get outdated? Well, what happens is that you are going to make modifications to your different pipes that cause the pipe solid to be out of date. But another very common reason is that when we are routing our different pipelines, often we are going to use external references. If you take a look at this model, I have a skeleton. So if we make changes to our skeleton, that's going to propagate changes to any different subassemblies or components that reference that skeleton model, which can then make those generated pipe solids out of date. Also, as you may have seen during this video, when I jumped into the piping application, applications piping, I ended up getting this convert piping assemblies dialog box. And so piping mode underwent a major overhaul around version 20. We're talking about the 1999-2000 timeframe. So if you are working with really old pipe assemblies that have not been updated since then, I suspect that this is one of the reasons that ends up causing you to get those outdated pipe solid issues. So again, I'm just going to click the OK button so that it is going to convert the different assemblies. And then, like I showed in the video, you can update the outdated pipe solids from the notification center. So that's how you can handle those different notifications in your assemblies.